Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Deliveroo bike rider job in Dubai, UAE. First, open your browser and go to careers.deliveroo.co.uk. Once the page loads, tap the menu and select Find a Job. Next, use the filter option and choose United Arab Emirates as the location. This will show Deliveroo jobs available in Dubai. Scroll through the listings or search for bike rider. When you find the role, tap Apply Now. Fill in your details, upload your CV, and submit your application. Make sure you have the required documents such as a valid UAE license if needed. After applying, wait for a call or email from Deliveroo. If selected, you'll complete training and document verification. And that's it. That's how to apply for a Deliveroo bike rider job in Dubai. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.